This guy right here.
We ain't finished yet.
Got a lot of different things in the way. All kinds of different obstacles, so we're gonna do it the safest way that we know how. We're at a fun one where we get to hang a locust tree, pretty nice sized locust tree out of a walnut. This is what happens when you don't want to climb and you just know what you're doing. Gonna hang this guy.
Get it and get his little green micro pulley swing on top of his back.
Gonna hang this tree out of this large tree.